parts. What do we got over here? The towels. Dirty towels can go over there for now. Okay, what do we got here?
Sprocket.
That doesn't fit on the tranny.
That's the tranny.
That fits on the tranny.
That's motor sprocket.
Maybe 25 too. That'll gear it up. I don't think that goes on the tranny.
No.
Okay, you're mixing up parts on me here.
You just said to grab everything in my pile.
Is that yours or mine?
That's my old one.
That looks used.
A little bit. Not so much.
Used.
Yeah, that'll be the used bag.
That's probably used.
Yeah, probably.
What's wrong with this?
I don't think anything.
Wrong washer.
All right, there's one thing.
That chrome nut is pretty good on the inside of the tranny.
There's two things wrong with it. Slightly rusted.
It's braking lube.
Hmm.
Appears to be still straight. Kind of. It's hard to roll the nut on it, but it seems good. Okay, this we're getting rid of because something was wrong with it. What's wrong with it?
I think you saw a crack in there somewhere, if I remember. Oh, no, it was this. The bushing. And yeah, and you said that you could Loctite it or just get a new one.
There seems to be an issue with the bushing.
Yeah, so I said I'd rather not just Loctite it.
Alright, so that we'll have to deal with.
And that.
This we didn't like too much.
Yeah, there was a rust pit in there, and
there's a lot of rusting in there.
Yeah.
I'll see those little grooves in there. There's a lot of them in there. Pick the one you like.
Yeah.
I don't like that one at all.
It's probably usable.
I still got 2 titties left in that one. These here, maybe just fill out. That I fixed the case, I think.
Oh, I think it needs a helicoil still.
Oh, we didn't helicoil it. We did a cheap fix and you didn't like it, so now you want to helicoil it? Okay.
Well, we can just leave it like that. I don't really care, honestly.
So then we got these here. We're going to need those.
And that thing, I need a new rollers for the shifter mechanism, but...
See the screw has a big gap around it all the way around?
I think that one goes on the inside.
So these are the correct screws for your cover.
Yeah.
To use it correctly.
Well, this one goes on the inside.
It actually goes over here.
Oh, this one does?
Yeah, it's the only place to use this one because it has a vent in it.
The vent one is,
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So the vent was the only, was the early. The vent was the early one, but that's the only one that kept. All these other ones are the flatheads. So like this.
I thought that it went. Those other ones went in here on this plate.
No, those are not flathead. Those are different.
Okay.
These all go over here, but you're probably missing a couple of the correct ones.
Probably.
So you got that one there. Got that one there. Those there. 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 So you're missing 2.
There's one.
No, you're missing 2.
That goes on the inside, right?
These are the wrong ones. This probably goes on the inside.
Yeah.
So. Ooh, those are good parts in there.
That throwout bearing is pretty good, though.
This one here?
No, the other one.
Sounds great.
No, the clutch bearing.
Oh, you don't like this one? Got something in there. Yep, that's good. Maybe we'll reuse that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got both there. You only need 4.
So maybe one of them went on the top, even though it's not correct.
You might have put it on the top, but it ain't correct.
I didn't put it there. That's how I got it.
Uh-huh, yeah. I'm thinking that's pretty used also. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
You probably want me to reuse that too, I bet.
I don't know. It doesn't really look...
I'm not reusing that. That one matches the other one.
This looks like it's seen better days, unless you don't have any new ones to use.
Well, you know, some people are cheap, so...
I say spend the money where you gotta spend it.
You got money now?
I got money.
Oh,
I've been saving.
geez.
It's been a while. I've been saving.
Oh, it's a good thing.
Yeah, so I can pay you.
Yeah. Buy more parts now.
Yep. Or whatever.
We only got 3 screws out of 4 here.
Oh, darn.
And this one's too big to replace one of those.
Oh, yeah. Where do those go? Can't remember.
The keys?
No, the little screws.
Hold on your cover.
Oh, yeah.
We have the big one for the speedometer drive, which I don't see right now. Appeared to have 4 holes there still.
Yeah.
You only got 3 screws.
Well. Looks like,
Appears to be empty.
looks like we're missing one.
Yes, sir. I can't tell if it was missing before because when I cleaned the crud off, it all looks clean. But see, that doesn't look like it had a screw in there recently.
Hmm.
Of course, that one doesn't look too much either. This one's dimpled. See, that's not dimpled. So maybe you never had one down there.
Perhaps. It was so rusty I couldn't really tell.
Probably didn't leak either, so we're okay.
There was a lot of silicone jammed in there, if I remember.
Oh, we have silicone issues.
Mm-hmm.
Spring issues there.
Why?
It's been dragging.
Oh, it's all shaved off.
It's half thickness. It's lighter now.
Yeah. Go faster.
That's
He
right.
shipped faster.
So we're missing 2 screws there, 1 screw there. We have an extra one of those. We're doing great. We got a new counter shaft. What other new parts we got?
Kicker cover.
Not yet. Not unless we put it on. There we go. More parts over here.
We have some new used gears.
There's some more parts over here we didn't go through yet. Okay. Here's a new used case race for you.
Oh, that's the one that had the pitting, but we're gonna put it different orientation in there.
We're going to cheat and use it anyway.
Yeah.
We're going to cheat and use that also.
Mm-hmm.
Good. 4. Here's another one of these.
Oh, yeah. I can see the difference.
Here's one of
Nice.
these. Here's a speedometer drive. You're missing your lock washer for that though.
Oh. I don't know if it ever had one. Here's the
Another one of these.
speedo gear.
There's a better one of those. Shift fork lock.
Man, it smells good, doesn't it?
Another lock. Got 1 roller. Beat up.
I think I only had one when I came in here.
That's all you needed. Didn't need all those extra parts. Okay.
It saves weight.
There's 2 of those.
It's a true bobber.
There's a kicker here. It looks like crap.
It's better than the last one I had in there. How long do you think that kicker gear will last? Like 2 or 3 starts?
Until it doesn't.
So if it takes me like 50 kicks, that's
Well,
probably...
it matches all this other stuff, so we're okay.
Yeah.
Okay, put that behind you somewhere. There's no room here.
Scooby, you want to hold this for me? Alright. Scooby.
Alright. That bushing's a little loose. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Some starting issues.
These are your original parts from your bike, because I can tell by the rust.
Oh, those are original parts?
There's some more on those.
So original parts are more rusty?
I'm thinking that maybe Loose.
Yeah.
Was your kicker slipping?
It was slipping a lot.
I can see that.
Slipping so bad that I was eating through gears like candy.
Yeah, see, it does like that. It doesn't stay in very good. Still got a lot of crud down in the rust and shit you can get off.
Oh. So do we have to...
This needs to be worked on or replaced.
Probably replace that thing.
You gonna replace this one now?
Is that an original piece?
It doesn't matter, it's all chewed to hell. It's not like it's reusable.
Yeah, it is pretty rusted out. All kinds of pitting.
Yipper.
Probably replace that.
Okay, this one here looks good. That looks okay. Got all the teeth on it. See, the late gear is taller than the early gear. See how they fit together?
Yes.
So if it stuck way out here, you would have an early one of these. If it bottomed out, then you had an early one of these and a late one of these. Because the early ones are only about this many. And they had a bushing in here. And this here, instead of being recessed way down, it was way up top up here. So this is late model stuff. Late model being in the early 50s.
So it's correct for my machine,
Okay,
being a
you
52.
You have a nice good shift dial. You have a third gear washer we need. That's good. Nice main shaft. And rust washer. And the gear looks nice. Except for the pits. So for you, that's like brand new.
Yeah.
So that's good. And how bad is that? And for you, that's like almost brand new.
It's hardly moving.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's almost new for you. It's gonna be the seal doesn't like moving around like that. But
Oh, a little chatter.
so you either put a new bushing in to make it not leak so bad, or we just live with it. That's why you got the other one on here to help stop some of the leaks. Okay, that'll work.
It didn't leak that bad before, so I think we'll just live with it.
That's what I figured. Okay, now this one over here, the washer we need. We already got bushings on this one that are nice. So these are extra bushings. Ooh, got a new snap ring. So that's the extra snap ring. This is your clutch. See, it's all rusty, I can tell.
That's not Smitty's gear?
Not that part. These parts here is.
Yeah, not rusty.
I can recognize your stuff. So. This stuff isn't quite as vintage as your stuff is.
People pay for vintage
This
nowadays.
is probably 70s parts here, so they're not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Moving up in the world. Okay, so this all looks decent. And this still had some areas that look decent in it. That bearing here looks okay.
Yeah.
Pitted, so we're good. You didn't want the speedometer gear on the, you said, right?
I have a speedo on the bike.
You want to use it?
Why not? We have a gear there.
You have a gear there, and you have a gear here.
Yeah.
They might even match each other, maybe. Maybe not. There we go. Yeah, they match kind of. They kind of fit in together. There you go. These have to be all cleaned up. They're pretty dirty. It's full of sand and beads and crap. You can see all the beads still in there.
I'm gonna blow those out.
Okay, so we're going to put this in the case. These here have to be cleaned. You didn't clean these yet for some reason.
I think those came in later.
Good thing I didn't get on my foot there.
Yeah.
Between my foot. Smart. I put my feet far apart, you don't hit. Okay, so these need to be blasted. We're not going to blast that though. All this stuff is blasted. So we need to heat coil this. We need a gasket set for you somewhere. We need some bearings. Alright, I think we got everything we need. What do we need?
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. So here's your forks. Why are your forks taken apart?
You took them apart for some reason.
Well, it's used, but you know, you like used parts.
I mean, the whole bike is used.
I don't know why I took them apart. Maybe they're rusty.
I think they were rusty.
I know they're rusty. They're still rusty.
And
Where's your bushing?
they were missing rollers.
Yeah.
That was probably a good idea to take them apart.
It works now through all the rust. That works now. Alright, I want to put those back together. Okay, so we need a heater coil. Where's your heater coil? For that, what thread is that?
Course.
Of course. Seems to be a little slippage there.
Yeah.
Alright, where's our drain plug?
The middle one.
I don't see the drain plug.
Oh, because I never had one. It was sealed up.
It just leaked?
No, it just had something broken off in there.
Oh, we got to cut that out.
Yeah.
There's a flaming video. Damn, Scooby, what'd you do? Oh, what'd you do to that dog?
Ooh, it was that cheese.
Oh, jeez. Don't follow it, Scooby. No, it's coming this way. Oh, jeez.
You shamed him out of here. He's leaving.
All right. We're going to take a rest break here. Turn that off. Jeez.